But I'm gonna try this one more time. It's 1:41 a.m. I'm really tired, guys. I can't get the lyrics right on this freaking song that I'm gonna sing for you guys, because I'm like so freaking tired. I can barely like keep my eyes open. It's 1:41 a.m. I've been up since yesterday, since 5:30, and I'm up today still at 1:41. And Super Bowl's this Sunday. And sorry if my voice cracks or anything. Like, like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna sing this song. I don't know the lyrics quite well. I'm really tired, and I'm gonna try to sing this for you guys because I'm really bored, and I'm trying to make it till 3 a.m. because that is my goal for tonight. And I know it's not healthy, so please don't pressure. And that is weird. My grandparents told me to go to bed, but they're in there with the TV on full blast watching a movie while everybody else is asleep. That makes me really freaking laugh. And look at that face. I love that face. It's a pretty face. I don't know why my voice sounds really weird right now. Alright, my voice should be a little better now, but I'm gonna try to sing the song one more time. My throat hurts. Now it does. I don't know why. Who knows, I might just be getting lucky and be getting sick on a Super Bowl weekend. And it's weird, when I'm sick, I stay up the latest. And this is the latest I've been staying up. But I'm going to try to sing this song. Please no hate comments when I mess up the lyrics, or my voice cracks, or my voice like fades out. But please no hate comments or anything close to that. But here I go. I'm going to sing The Lonely for you guys. If it plays. 2 a.m., where do I begin? Crying off my face again. Silence of the loneliness. To follow me to bed. I'm a ghost of a girl that I used. Whoa. Shadow of a girl that I used to know well. Dancing slowly in an empty room. Then I'll only take the place of you. Sing myself a silent lullaby. Let the lonely in to take my heart again. Too afraid to go inside. To ruin of our loveless night. Loneliness will stay with me and hold me till I fall asleep. I'm a ghost of a girl that I wanted to be most. A shadow of a girl that I used to know well. Dancing slowly in an empty room. Then I'll only take the place of you. Sing myself a quiet lullaby. Let you go and let the lonely in. Take my heart again. In pieces of barely breathing story. Well, once was love, but now there's only me, and lonely, and sing slowly in an empty room, saying the lonely take the place of you. Sing myself a favorite lullaby. Let the lonely in to take my heart again. God, I can't sing that end of that song or the beginning of that song, but I can sure sing the middle. I guess it's because I get really nervous. I really get into that song when I'm not videotaping, but when I'm videotaping, I get really nervous and I can't do anything about it. Oh my god. My back hurts. I'm cold. Oh my god, I hate myself. I want to disappear right now. Alright. Bye guys, this has been Bird. I sung The Lonely for you guys. No hate comments, subscribe or leave a like. Also, I would love it if you left a comment for me, something for me to sing or do. Nothing too outrageous, because then I won't obviously choose that. And by the way, aka Owen, if you're watching this video, I probably really suck at singing, don't I? But yeah. Don't ask me why I stayed up so late. I'm just really stupid. As I always have been. But that's different. Hey, Katrina. I heard about you in, what was